Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Vivo Y28e 5G smartphone, and in this video I'll show you some amazing tips and tricks, hidden features of this smartphone. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. In this smartphone, you can secretly record someone's conversation. For example, if you're having some very important conversation, you only have to press a single button and you will be able to record the whole conversation even when your screen is locked. Let me show you how you can do this. Simply open your settings, scroll down to the bottom, and there you will see the option of shortcuts and accessibility. Click on this. Scroll down, there you will see the option of quick action. Click on this. By default, it is selected to turn on or off flashlight. You have to select the record audio option. Now, even when your screen is locked, you just have to long press your volume down button and it will start recording the conversation. So that's how you can record any conversation very secretly even when your screen is locked. You can also hide any app in the smartphone without downloading any third-party app. Simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on security. Scroll down a little and then click on privacy and app encryption. Now firstly you have to set a privacy password. You can set a 6-digit password or you can change it to pattern, 4-digit PIN or alphanumeric. Here I select pattern. Draw a pattern, then confirm your pattern. Answer a security question. Answer another one and then click on next. Now if you want to add your email address, type it here and then now click on app hiding. Firstly, enable view hidden apps. Now it will show all the apps which are installed in your smartphone. Now select the app you want to hide. Click on don't remind me later and then click on confirm. Now this file app you won't be able to see in your app drawer anywhere. If you want to access your hidden app, simply swipe up by using 2 fingers on the home screen. Now draw your privacy password and it will show your hidden app. So that's how you can hide any app in this Vivo Y28e smartphone. There are 2 functions you can add in your status bar. The first one is real-time internet speed. By this you can monitor your internet speed and your battery percentage as well. Firstly, open your settings, scroll down and then click on display and brightness. Scroll down and then click on status bar. Firstly, enable show real-time network speed and it will start showing your internet speed in the real time in your status bar. The second one is battery percentage. You can also change the style of this battery icon, and here you can show the battery percentage outside the icon or inside the icon. So you can also enable these 2 options in your status bar. You can also clone any app or make dual of any app in this smartphone. So you will be able to use 2 accounts of a single application. Let me show you how you can do this. Simply open your settings, click on apps, and there you will see the option of app clone. Click on this and it will show all the apps which are clonable in your smartphone. Now select the app you want to clone. It will take few seconds and then it will create the clone of this app. So you will be able to log in with 2 different accounts of a single application. As now you can see in your app drawer, there are 2 Facebooks. Now you can log in with 2 different accounts. So that's how you can make a clone of any application in this smartphone. You can also enable this shake to turn on your flashlight feature. Let me show you how you can do this. Simply open your settings, scroll to the bottom and then click on shortcut and accessibility. There you will see the option of start motion. Click on this and then enable shake to turn on the flashlight. By default it is disabled. Now keep in mind you have to be on your home screen and your screen should be waken up like this, and now you can shake it to turn on the flashlight. And now if you want to turn it off, simply press your power button and it will turn it off. So you can also enable this shake to turn on the flashlight feature. Now let's talk about some of the dynamic effects. For example, your charging animation, entering your lock screen animation, etc. Firstly, open your settings and there you will see the option of dynamic effects. Click on this. So firstly, let's talk about charging animation. There are 7 options. You can select anyone and then click on apply. You can also change the face recognition animation as well. Here there are 5 options. You can select your favorite one, and now whenever you will unlock your phone by your face, then it will show this specific animation. You can also change the home screen entering animation. So whenever you will unlock your phone and come to your home screen, it will show this transition or this animation effect. Select your favorite one, click on apply, and it will be set to that animation. So these are some dynamic effects, you can check it out. Also, lock any app in this smartphone without downloading any third-party app. Simply open your settings and then click on security. Again, open privacy and app encryption. Firstly, you have to set a privacy password, as we have already done this. Now draw your privacy password and then click on app hiding. It will show, then click on app encryptions. Now it will show all the apps which are installed in your smartphone. Now select the app you want to lock. For example, I want to lock my Snapchat. Now whenever you will open your Snapchat, it will ask for that privacy password. So that's how you can lock any app in this smartphone. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen in this smartphone. Firstly, open any app, then put it in recent tab. Then click on this apps icon. There you will see the option of split screen. Click on this. Now select the second app you want to use. Now you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen, as you can see. So that's how you can use two applications with the help of this split screen feature. If you want to keep all the applications in your home screen, or you don't want this app drawer, you can also disable this. Firstly, tap and hold on the home screen and then click on home settings. There you will see the option of home screen style. Click on this. By default, it is selected to drawer. You have to select the standard one. Now your app drawer is disabled. You can access your apps on the home screen. So that's how you can disable this. If you want to change these 3-button navigations and want to enable this gesture navigation, you can also do this. Firstly, open your settings. Scroll down to the bottom and then click on system. There you will see the option of system navigation. By default, it is selected to 3-button navigation. You have to select the gesture navigation. Now to go back, you can swipe from left or right of the screen. To open the recent app, simply swipe up from the middle bottom and hold it there. And if you want to come to your home screen, then simply swipe from the middle bottom and leave it there. So these are gestures navigation. You can also read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. So you have to open your settings, scroll down and then click on notifications and then click on notification history. Enable this. Now whenever someone texts you, it will save the notification here, and even after he or she deletes it, you will be able to read it from here. So that's how you can read any deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram or any other social media application. If you try to shut down your phone by long pressing your power button, then it will open the Google Assistant app. If you want to change it to power menu, then simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on shortcut and accessibility. Scroll down, you will see the option of press and hold power button. Click on this and again click on this. By default, it is selected to launch Google Assistant. You have to enable the power and emergency menu. Now whenever you will long press your power button, it will open the power menu. The next two features are to protect your eyes. Firstly, open your settings, scroll down and then click on display and brightness. The first one is eye protection. Enable this, then it will warm the color of your smartphone little bit, so it will decrease the strain on your eye. The second one is dark theme. You can also enable this. Now it will turn all the whites into blacks of the smartphone. So this will also decrease the strain on your eyes a lot, and you will be able to use your phone at night very comfortably. So you can enable these two features to decrease the strain of your eyes. If you will press your volume up or down button, then it will increase or decrease the media volume of your songs, YouTube, etc. But if you want to set it to your ringtone volume, you can also do this. Firstly, open your settings and then click on sounds and vibration. Scroll down, you will see the option of use volume button to adjust. By default, it is selected to media. You can select it to ringtone. Now whenever you will up or down the volume button, then it will increase or decrease your ringtone volume, not your media volume. So these were some amazing tips and tricks and hidden feature of Vivo Y28e smartphone. If this was helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, have fun and keep on exploring your smartphone.